Great to see you all again on Shib. The U.S. government said something shocking about Shiba Inu coin Shib news today. Shib Inu's calm price action is very different from what we've seen in the last two sessions. Shib fell as low as $0.0000840 on Monday because of worries about Binance's financial health. The cryptocurrency rose along with the market as a whole after Tuesday's inflation numbers were lower than expected. This eased concerns about how harshly the FED will continue to tighten financial conditions in the coming months, according to Crypto News. In this video, we'll talk about shocking things the U.S. government said about the Shiba Inu coin. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest videos on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Now, let's start the movie. Shib has seen a round trip of around 11% from Monday's lows to Tuesday's highs in the 0.000000930s in dollars. However, long-term price predictions remain pessimistic, with Shib's technicals not looking great. Between now and the end of 2022, Shiba Inu could hit the 0.00001 mark and lose another zero after the decimal in October 2021. It ate one more zero. The trigger to such a rally between now and the end of 2022 would likely be broader market price action. If the market is bullish in 2022, then Shib eating one more zero is possible. That's because the hype around Shib is quite strong, as is evident in its price action in October and early November, with so many people expecting Shib to rally. Fear of missing out could see it gained by a couple of percent next year. In 2023, Shiba Inu's price action will largely depend on the market's performance in 2022. If the market is bullish in 2022, then some momentum could spill into Shib going into 2023. However, if the market is lackluster in 2022, shibainu could enter a corrective phase in 2023. Shibainu is a meme coin, and almost everyone knows how it went through the roof last year and gave its users huge returns. Shib is an e-token that was created to compete with Dogecoin, which was the first cryptocurrency with a dog theme. It has a strong community that kept the project going even when the market crashed. Shib has a circulating supply of over 500 trillion e-tokens and a market cap of over 5 billion e-tokens. However, Shiba Inu doesn't have any competitive advantages in the cryptocurrency world. Even though the Shib token works with Ethereum, that doesn't mean people want to own and use it. Since the Shib token doesn't offer any real competitive advantages in the crypto world and the crypto community is losing interest, it's not a surprise that its price has dropped 90% since its all-time high in October 2021. Investors might be tempted to buy in with the hope that the price will go back up, but this is more like gambling than real investing. The Shib price in November would be $0.01 if Shiba Inu sent 589 trillion tokens to the burn address right now. There were only 661 million Shib coins burned, each worth about $6,000. It's not much. According to Shiba Burn Tracker, it will take at least 67,000 years for Shiba Inu to be worth $0.01. This was shared by the SureBurn Twitter account, which is a famous burn tracking service. In the past 24 hours, the Shib's burn rate has gone up a lot, going up by more than 700% at the same time. According to Shurn's website, the burn rate of the popular coin Shib has gone up by a huge 76% in the last 24 hours. It is no longer in the top 10 list of the biggest wallets on the Ethereum chain. This happened after 16,376 Shibs were sent to Inferno wallets. The largest burn transaction had 8,495 198 Shinu and was sent by an address that ended in FDEAA. According to the data shared, this week's total amount burned will not be more than 100 million meme coins. There is a numbers tracker that collects data about wallets on several major blockchains, such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, and others, over the last 24 hours. It's no longer in the top 10 list of assets owned by the largest 100 companies. Whales on Ethereum. This is the second time this month that this has happened. And now Wales has added Mana Stay and that as their biggest holding. Their portfolio now has 35.59% of MANSTA and it. Over the last 24 hours, 34.2% of still SHIB has added multiple thousand new people. The number of SHIB holders rose by about 1,000 from 1,265,003 to 1,266,039. Earlier this week, the number of SHIB holders also rose by a large amount in just one day, as you reported. Today, the price of a SHIB has dropped to 0.0000008616, a loss of 3.37% in the last 24 hours, according to data from CoinMarketCap. There is a chance that the price of Shibu is about to go down. The bulls are already showing early signs of failing. If market conditions stay the same, the sweep the lows event will happen soon. Shibu price is still consolidated as the well-known meme coin moves within a 10% weekly range. On December 13, a bearish cross was seen on the daily chart as the 21-day simple moving average crossed over the 8-day exponential moving average. SHIB is still below the 0.900 level, which means that the bulls have been rejected on shorter time frames. Traders often call negative crosses death crosses because when the slower moving average crosses into the faster one, prices usually drop quickly. The price of Shiba Inu is 0.885 right now. If the market is really bearish, there will be no need for the second retest of the intersected signs. If the December 13 low at 0.861 is broken, there could be a short-lived rebound with the goal of reaching the November swing low at 0.817, which would mean a 7% drop. SHIB is expected to set new all-time lows in the next few weeks if bulls stay away from the November low. To think about going after higher goals, there needs to be a bullish try at the December 13 swing high at 0.932. If the bulls can turn the block into support, the price could rise as high as 0.155 on November 10th. In the positive case, the price of Shiba would go up by 19%. The Shiba Inu meme coin, which is the second most popular in the world, is back in the news. On Wednesday, December 14th, the price of the SHIB went up by 7%, and trade activity went up by 28%. This happened after Shibu developer Shoshi Kusama changed his Twitter bio to say, "On the first day my true love gave to me," which is a line from the song, The 12 Days of Christmas. People on the SHIB have been trying to figure out what it means and think that a big update for Shiba is coming this Christmas. Shiba is a blockchain platform that lets users and developers make the most of the Shinu blockchain infrastructure that is already in place. It's basically an extra layer on top of Shinu. Shiba's goal is to set the stage for adding more blockchain games to the Shinu ecosystem. Many followers of Kusama were quick to notice that it was a hint that there might be a big announcement coming soon. Many users are wondering if Shiba Inu developers are going to give a better Christmas present, but Kama has chosen to stay silent on the matter. So for now, these are just rumors about the Shiba development. Another reason for the recent rise in the SHIB price is whale accumulation. New information from another scan shows that the Shiba whale has gathered an amazing 1.92 trillion SHIB, which is worth about $17.7 million. This is despite the fact that the SHIB cryptocurrency went through a big drop during the crypto winter of 2022. Products and services are still being made around it by market players. EasyPay, a Beanie payment provider, teamed up with Binance Pay to let SDC customers pay their phone bills using Shiba Inu. On the other hand, Web3 e-commerce platform Mid recently announced a giveaway of 15 million Shiba coins for people who took part in an event for the FIFA World Cup 2022. To win, people had to tag their favorite World Cup semifinalist team with the World Cup 2022 hashtag in the comments section. That's all for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. To see our newest videos, share the channel and subscribe to it.